What is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special summon video for you guys here today. So we are just loading up the app here. Wow, it says 115 degrees in the car. Let's go ahead and put that AC on, but while we do that, we're going to go ahead and summon to the back of the building here. So, driver, robo taxi, please take me to the back of the building. Alright, let's see where we can go. Let's start by going here. Alright, go to target. Alright, sir, ma'am, person, robo car, please take me to the back of the building. Or at least take me to the side and then I can readjust it, right? That would be cool. Anyways, it was a nice day. Oh my gosh, we've got people here. Oh no. It's sunny day finally. We've been in the clouds for like so long. Okay, here we go. We're gonna have to make a stop and adjustment now since we've got vehicle straight ahead. So we're gonna see really how far can this summon go. Can we potentially turn the corner? Right, let's see. We've cut, okay, yeah, so I'm gonna need you to now go around the corner. Car, oh my gosh, car is getting really close to the barrier, but somehow it figured it out. And here we are. Okay, so we were able to pass through the vehicle here. Oh, looks like my coworker's there. Let's see. Hey, how you doing, man? What's going on? Oh, yeah, okay, I don't want to get making a small video. We're just going around the corner. I'm gonna park. What, lunchtime? Huh? What's up?
You set up iPhone and so on?
Yeah. 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 Look, and now I went back and parked. Yeah, hold on. Now I have to go back. Yes. Like this one, yeah. Let's see what it does. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna be trying to go around the building now. Let's see what it does. See if I can potentially park. Oh my god, there's a squirrel in the way. Let's see if FSD can recognize the squirrel. And it does, and it took me to the exact location that I asked it to. I don't know, I think it even farts. I might have to turn that off while being at work. I'm not sure if that might freak out some of my coworkers, but let's see if we can go ahead and park the vehicle. Driver, please park the vehicle and get out of the okay, you're not sure what to do? Oh, what did you do there? All right, let's see. Now we want to try something else. Let's see if the car can figure it out. Oh, we want to go into reverse. Driver, what are you doing? We might have someone behind us. No? Okay, let's actually see if we can go into the shaded spot. That would be nice. Yeah, let's go into the shade. Go to target. So please take us to the shade. Driver, robo taxi. 1010, looking forward to that event. And looks like the car was somewhat able to take us into the shade. Yeah, there we go. It took us right into the shade. Thank you very much, car. Much appreciated. And here we are. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video. This was a super fun one to shoot, I have to say. And I think I'm going to get going since now